we are going to learn how to use capital letters. For that, we must know the correct formation of letters. So, first of all, we shall write down the capital and simple letters. First, write this down, please. ඇත්තටම ඔයාලා හිතයි දැන් මේක හරිය සරල දෙයක් නේ කියලා. එනකොට අපි මේ ගැන ගොඩක් අවධානය යොමු කරන්න ඕනේ අපි නිතර වරද්දන අකුරු දිහා. Keep your attention on capital J and simple J. Capital K and simple K. Capital P, simple P, and see this letter also capital Y and simple Y. Normally when we are checking your answers, marking your answers, you make sometimes mistakes using these letters. So, keep your attention how to use the correct formation of these letters. Yes children, I am going to discuss various situations of using capital letters. Right? First of all, when we write the name of a person, names of people, we must write the first letter capital. As examples, Manuka Basuru, Raini, Rahim, Kularatna. I think from grade 3, you learn all these things. You can remember them. When we write the name of a person, we must begin that with the capital letter. The next one is names of places. Kurunegala, Giriulla, Pannala, Colombo, Sri Lanka, Japan, Canada. All these are places. So, all the first letters must be written as capital letters, right? Now, please write them down in your writing book. Well children, when we use the pronoun I, mama kiyaddi daruwane, we never use simple I. Right? I am someone. Mama, someone. I am in grade 10. In these occasions, we don't use simple I. Mama කියද්දි හැම විටම අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ capital I. When we write the names of days, we don't use simple letters as the first letter. Okay? Sunday, capital S. Monday, capital M. Saturday, capital S. Wednesday, capital W. Like that. First letter we must use a capital letter. Okay? When we write a month, the first letter must be a capital letter. As examples, January, December, March, October. All these first letters must be capital. And when we write titles of a person, අපි කියනවා පෙරේරා මහත්තයා, Mr. Pereira, Mr. M capital. Veerasinghe Nona, Mrs. Veerasinghe, M capital. Dr. Disanayaka, Miss Kamani. All these first letters are capital. Yes children, when we mention the names of bodies of water, Indian Ocean, Indian Sagara, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and also Nile Gaga, the Nile, the Mahavali. Right? And also names of planets. ග්‍රහලෝකයන් ගැන කතා කරද්දී Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Earth පෘථිවිය. Mars අඟහරු, Jupiter බ්‍රහස්පති. First letters are capital. When we write the names of languages, භාෂාවන් ගැන කියද්දී we use capital letters. Sinhala, Tamil, Damila, English, Japanese, Japan Bhashawa. We write the first letters capital. Next, names of nationalities. Jatiin ගැන කියද්දී. Sinhalese, Sinhala, Tamils, Damila, Muslims, Indians, Indianu Jathiyo. All the first letters are capital. And also, when we write the names of religions, ආගම්වල නම් ලියද්දී. Buddhism, Buddha. Hinduism, Hindu ආගම. Christianity, Christiani ආගම. Islam, all the first letters are capital letters. Yes, children, let's see this. When we write the names of government bodies like municipal council, Nagara Sabha, කියද්දී M capital, C capital, municipal council. And the next thing is beginning of a sentence. ඔයාලට මතක ඇති we have written sentences with the capital letter. Our country is Sri Lanka. We live in Pannala. Both these beginnings are capital. Right? Then, beginning of a direct quote. අපි කෙනෙක් කියපු දෙයක් උපුටා ගනිද්දී. He often boasted. ඔහු නිතරම පුරසාරම් දෙඩුවා. I have learnt everything about paintings. මම ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙනවා සියලුම දේවල් චිත්‍ර ශිල්පය ගැන. This part, මේ කොටස එයා කියන එක. So we have to start that with the capital letter. Yes, children, I have written 2 more examples for that. She said she is tired. Akiwa at mahansi කියලා. This is also a direct quote. She, S is capital. Right? My teacher said you are correct. මගේ ගුරුතුමිය කිව්වා ඔබ හරි කියලා. Here you also capital. Beginning of a quote. I think you have understood the importance of using capital letters. Because in the O-level examination, you are tested on this. Well, I have put a simple exercise on the board. There are 5 sentences. In these sentences, there are some words. You have to write them with the capital letter. First, read the instructions, please. Put the capital letters where necessary. In exercises like this, you must understand the instructions clearly. Put the capital letters where necessary. අවශ්‍ය තැන්වල capital ලකුණ යොදන්න. Let's read the 5 sentences. Once upon a time, in ancient China, there lived a very talented artist. A man is climbing down the hill. Number 3, I think it's a crow. Number 4, she said, come and have a rest. Number 5, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest of all nations. First, we shall do this 5. You can pause the video and copy down the sentences. If necessary, you can read the examples again and find what are the words you have to use capital letters. I think you have enough time now. Let's see the sentences. First one, let's read that. Once upon a time in ancient China, there lived a very talented artist. I think you have found the word. The word is China. This is the name of a place or country. You have to put capital C there. Right? Number 2. A man is climbing down the hill. There, we can't begin a sentence with a simple letter. You have to write capital A. Right? A man is climbing down the hill. In number 3, I think it's a crow. This is pronoun I. We can't keep that simple here. So we have to write that capital I. I think it's a crow. She said, "Come and have a rest." In this sentence, it's a direct quote. Then, here you have to put capital C. She said, "Come and have a rest." In the 5th sentence, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest of all nations. Here I have made a mistake. This word should be all oceans. Correct that, please. Right? The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest of all oceans. Right? Here, water bodies, we have to put capital P and capital O here. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest of all oceans. Right. Now I will put the rest of the sentences now. Yes, children, these are the other sentences. We shall read them again. I have to give a speech on Monday. Number 7, I learned it from Navidu. Number 8, Dr. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October. Number 9, Annie Frank is a Jewish girl. Number 10, Jupiter is the largest planet. Now, you have to pause the video and write these sentences and put the correct capital letter for the correct place. Now, I think you have enough time. Let's see the answers now. First one, I have to give a speech on Monday. Then, Monday is a day. We can't put simple M here. It should be capital M. In the next sentence, I learn it from Navidu. Navidu is a name of a person. So, you can't put simple N here. That should be capital N. Number 8, Dr. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October. This is a title. And this is a month. So here you have to write Dr. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October like this. Right. In 9th one, Annie Frank is a Jewish girl. This is a nationality. So that should be capital J there. Right. In the last sentence, Jupiter is the largest planet. So this is the name of a planet. There you have to put capital J. Right, I think you have understood the lesson now. If you have some doubts, you have to read the earlier lesson again. And in the textbooks there are so many lessons. Read them, because if you are familiar with all these things, it is easier when you are answering questions in the O-level examination. You are tested done using these letters correctly. Thank you very much, children.